Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 2nd July 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 3. Name of the chapter plants. So, student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So student, in the previous video I explained you classification of the plants, that plants are divided into 5 groups due to their size, stem and roots. Is it clear? So when we are talking about the herbs, climbers and creepers, so what is the common thing in that? In this plants are all of them have a very weak stem, and when we are talking about the tree and shrubs, so thick woody trees have thick hard woody stem, and tall trees we don't say stem, we say trunk, of the trees. And shrubs, they also having a woody stem, but their stem is not very thick. So 5 classification of the plant that I have already explained you in the previous video. If you want to see, you can check in the previous video. Full explanation of all the topics is done in that video. Now today we will start with the root. So student, when we talking about the root system of the plant, so root is the very important system of the plant. Root is a very important part of the plant. It absorbs water and minerals. From the soil, and that is the reason also roots are known as the mouth of the plant, because through root water and mineral is absorbed and minerals are present in the soil. Next thing is that student, when we are talking about the root, there are 2 types of a root, tap root and fibrous root. So this is the diagram of the tap root. So what is a tap root? Tap root is what? Tap root is the main root of the plant. Is it clear? Tap root is the main root of the plant, and from these tap root many branches of root arises. Tap root is the main root of the plant, and from this many branches of the root arises. Okay, now some of the example of a tap root which is given in your book, that is a carrot, beetroot, turnip. So they having the tap roots, and these roots are also known as special types of roots also, because they store food. Is it clear? Because they store food in their roots. So some roots store food in their roots, and such roots are also known as a special roots. So these are the example of a tap roots. Now for example, tall trees like people, neem, you will observe what type of a roots these trees have. These trees have tap root. So tap root, I hope, is it clear to all of you? Tap root is the main root which goes very deep into the soil. Is it clear? Tap root is the main root which goes very deep in the soil, and from this main root many branches of the root arises. So that is the tap root. Now next one is the fibrous root. So fibrous root this is the stem portion and these are the roots. So what is a fibrous root? See, in fibrous root it does not have the main root like the tap root. ठीक है, tap roots में क्या होती थी? There is one main root, but when we are talking about the fibrous root, then there is no main root. There is no main root in the case of the fibrous root. Now from the base of the stem you will see many root arises from the base of the stem of equal size and they spread in all direction. That is the fibrous root. Okay, so what is a fibrous root? Fibrous root you will see many roots of the same size arises and they spread in different direction. So that is the fibrous root. In fibrous root there is no main root. And what are the example? Wheat, rice. Have you seen a wheat plant? Wheat, rice, onion, grass. They all have fibrous roots. Okay, these are some of the example of fibrous root, that is wheat, rice, onion, grass. These are the example of a fibrous root. Now taproot, fibrous root, two types of roots in the plant that I explained you, that is the fibrous root and taproot. Now after that we will discuss the functions of the root. So root attach plant to the ground. Roots attach plant to the ground. Roots attach the plant to the ground. So they support the above part of the plant because roots are in the soil Is it clear? Root attach plant to the ground. What does it mean? It means they support the above part of the plant which is above the ground, because root is below the ground, root is in the soil, and they support the plant that is above the ground, or you can say the shoot system of the plant. They support the shoot system and help in holding the plant firmly in the ground. ठीक है, firmly means बहुत मजबूती से, ठीक है, बिकॉज जो रूट्स होती हैं वो सॉइल को होल्ड करके रखती हैं, ठीक है. दैट इज द रीजन द above part which is known as the shoot system, that is the reason the plant can, so these roots hold the plant, okay, in hold the plant firmly in the ground. so ये बहुत मजबूती से जो roots हैं ये होल्ड की रहती हैं सॉइल में, एंड दैट इज द रीजन जो अबव पोर्शन है, शूट पोर्शन है, शूट सिस्टम ऑफ द प्लांट, इट स्टैंड अबव द ग्राउंड, इट स्टैंड्स अबव द ग्राउंड. सेकेंड, रूट ऑब्जॉर्व वाटर एंड न्यूट्रिएंट फ्रॉम द सॉइल. absorb water and minerals. So this is one of the important function of the root, that root absorb water and minerals from the soil, because this is required for the growth of the plant, because this is required for the growth of the plant. So root absorb water and minerals are present in the soil, so they absorb mineral and water from the soil and then they pass to the stem, because root is in the soil. So after absorbing water and mineral, they pass this to the stem. Third is root hold the soil. Roots hold the soil. What does it mean? It means that the roots of the plant, they bind the soil. ठीक है, सॉइल को बिल्कुल पकड़ के रखती हैं रूट्स, ठीक है, बांध के बिल्कुल रखती हैं. सो ड्यू टू दिस व्हाट हैपेंस, द एरिया, आपने देखा होगा जिन एरियाज में प्लांट्स नहीं होते हैं वहाँ ड्यू टू स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड and at the time of rain, due to heavy rainfall, floods come, so upper layer of the soil is washed away. Is it clear? So and it creates which type of situation? That is known as soil erosion. The roots of the plant hold the soil in place so that it does not get washed away. Is it clear? During heavy rains, floods, etc., or by wind, and washing away of a soil is known as soil erosion. Is it clear? So roots hold the soil. सो रूट्स ऑफ द प्लांट होल्ड द सॉइल, वो बांध के रखते हैं मिट्टी को, क्योंकि आपने देखा होगा बेटा जहाँ पे पेड़ नहीं होते हैं, ठीक है, डेजर्ट एरिया, वहाँ रेती रेत क्यों है? क्योंकि वहाँ पे इतनी ज़्यादा ग्रीनरी नहीं है, वहाँ प्लांट्स बहुत रेयर हैं. दैट इज द रीजन द एरिया इज चेंज इन डेजर्ट फॉर्म. रेनफॉल बहुत लेस है जिसकी वजह से टेम्परेचर बहुत हाई है, और जो प्लांट्स हैं बहुत कम प्लांट्स वहाँ पे सरवाइव कर पाते हैं, ठीक है. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न. अब जो एरियाज जिसमें बेटा जब क्या कहते हैं, रूट्स नहीं होते, प्लांट्स नहीं होते हैं जिन एरिया में, तो जब स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स चलती हैं एंड एट द टाइम ऑफ रेन सीजन ड्यू टू हैवी रेनफॉल द फ्लड कम्स एंड द अपर लेयर ऑफ द सॉइल जो होती है वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाती है, वॉश्ड अवे हो जाती है हैवी रेनफॉल से, ठीक है। सो एंड दिस गिव राइज टू ए सिचुएशन दैट इज नोन एज सॉइल इरोशन. So plants reduce this. Okay, if there are lot of plants in any area, then there is no problem of soil erosion. Next है root stored food. So some of the data I have already explained you that these types of a roots are known as special roots. Root store food. Root store food, there are some special roots which stored food in them. For example, carrot, radish, beetroot, turnip, these are the example of roots which can store the food. Carrot, radish, turnip, and beetroot also. These are the examples. These are the examples of a. These are the example of a roots which store extra food in them. So let's do little recapitulation what we have studied in the functions of a root. So function of a root, first point is root attach plant to the ground, because root of the soil, roots hold the soil, and that is the reason only the plant and it support the shoot system that is above the ground, and roots are in the soil, so it support the above part of the plant, and due to roots also the plant can stand above the ground. Second, absorb water and minerals. So root are present in the soil, and this is the important function of the root, that they absorb water and minerals which are present in the soil. So it is absorbed by the roots, and after that root pass this water and minerals to the stem. Is it clear? Next roots hold the soil. So this is root, the roots of the plant hold the soil, and due to this what's happened, due to heavy strong winds or due to heavy rainfall during the rainy season, the flood occurs, and due to this what's happened, the upper layer of the soil is washed away. So and due to this which type of a situation arises, that is known as soil erosion. So roots hold the soil so that the soil is not washed away by the flood water. Flood matlab baad aana. Root stored food, there are some special roots also which stored food in them, like carrot, radish, turnip, beetroot. These are the special roots which store extra food in them. Okay, now let's start with the stem. Next is the stem. So first of all, let understand what is a stem. So stem is the part of a shoot system. Stem is the part of a shoot system. Stem, what is stem? Stem is the part of a shoot system. So second question, stem is the part of a, what is stem? Stem is the part of a shoot system and it is above the ground. And it is above the ground. Stem is the part of a shoot system and it is above the ground. Is it clear? So, and what role play by the stem? So stem is the part of a shoot system and it is above the ground and it support parts of the plant which are above the ground, and it supports parts of the plant which are above the ground, like stem bears. What are the parts in the stem? Branches, leaves, branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. So it support parts which are above the ground. So that parts are branches, leaves, buds, flower and fruits. That parts are branches, leaves, buds, flower and fruit. So it support the above part of the plant. Now let's discuss what are the function of the stem. Functions of stem. So first function which is given in your book, that I have already discussed with you just now. The stem provide or the stem support, the stem provides support to the plant above the ground. Is it clear? So जो पार्ट प्लांट का ग्राउंड से अबव होता है उसको सपोर्ट कौन करती है? स्टेम करती है. एंड इट बियर्स ब्रांचेस, लीव, बर्ड्स, फ्लावर एंड फ्रूट्स. दिस पॉइंट ऑलरेडी आई हैव डिस्कस विद यू कि स्टेम सपोर्ट part of the plant which are above the ground. And what are the parts it wears? So it wears branches, leaf, birds, flowers and fruits. Second है it transport. First point था it support. It support to the plant. It support to the plant above the ground. second, it transport water and minerals. So second point, see, it transport water and minerals. So don't be confused. This is the function of the root. Of course, this is the function of the root because root absorb water and mineral from the soil, not a stem. But the part of the root is below the ground. So root is attached to the stem. रूट्स क्या है, स्टेम से अटैच रहती हैं. तो दे ऑब्जर्व वाटर एंड मिनरल एंड दे पास दीज वाटर एंड मिनरल टू द स्टेम. दैट इज द रीजन. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज इट ट्रांसपोर्ट वाटर एंड मिनरल टू ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. दैट इज द रीजन it is written it transport water and mineral from the root to other part of the plant. One more important function of the plant is that, as we know that plants can prepare their own food. So which part of the plant can prepare their own food? That is leaves. So another important function of the stem is that food prepared by the leaves. So it transport food prepared by the leaves. So stem transport this food to all parts of the plants. Is it clear? It also transport food which is prepared by the leaves to all parts of the plants. So next is it transport food prepared by leaves to all parts of the plant. Is it clear? Next point, some stems like a root, there are some stems also which also store extra food in them, like sugar cane, potato, ginger. These are the stems which also store extra food in them. And when we are talking about the potato and ginger, so what are they? They are underground stems. Why we say them as a underground stem? Because we take potato and ginger we take it out from the soil. That is the reason potato and ginger, they are known as the underground stem. Okay, they are known as the underground stem. So stem, some stem store food. Example, sugar cane, potato, ginger. So these are all functions of the root. So root support the plant above the ground and it support all parts of the plant which are above the ground, like branches, leaves, birds, flower and fruits. It transport water and minerals from the roots because the root absorb it and then they pass to the stem, and it transport water and minerals which is required by the plant to, and this is transport by the stem to all parts of the plant. And it also transport food prepared by the leaves to all parts of the plant. and some stem also store extra food. Okay, thank you student. Now we will continue it in the next video.